Okay, here we go. It's rib time. Protection Engine Company number 1, South Amboy, New Jersey. April 20th. What you gotta do is show up early. 9:30 they start around. Because once they run out, they're gone, and you'll have to wait till the next time. Don't forget, hit those links in the description box below, some helpful links, and you'd be all set. So support your local fire department. Saturday, April 20th. Ribs, for some great tasting ribs. South Amboy, New Jersey, Protection Engine Company number 1. Till next time, people, have a good one.